Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Octane Red 392, and as promised, we have the Labor Day giveaway. Can you guess what it is? Rightcar Solutions. We have the license plate silicone frame. We got them in black, yellow, red, and gray. And we didn't forget about you guys on two wheels. We also have one in black. I'd like to take this time out right now to thank Rightcar Solutions for partnering with me on this giveaway. And we're gonna have their social media and website in the description below. So now we're gonna go to the install. And we're back. And now we're gonna go through on how to install the silicone frame onto your license plate. First, you're gonna take off that old metal plastic one. So you see, new hotness. So this is made for the standard license plates and for the standard motorcycle plates as well. This is rust proof, waterproof, and rattle proof. This will improve the look of the car as well. Also, you can color coordinate if you like doing that. As you saw earlier, we had different varieties and colors for the giveaway. So for you guys entering the giveaway, as you comment the color you would like. All right, it's nice and snug. That's part of the rattle proof and the waterproof feature right there. And then as you can see, it's slim. It doesn't cover anything. It is legal in all 50 states. You don't get anything covered up from the tagline or your registration. So here we go, putting it back on. And line those holes up, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos coming up and any of my new giveaways. And we got some nice ones coming up too. This is nice as well, but just letting you guys know. Stay tuned. Just like that. You see how that is? That's nice. See you guys later. Until next time, and go Jags.